Hello my friends, today we are gonna fix the heater. My heater is not working. Look my new tattoos. It's just a filter actually because I don't have a makeup. The important thing is what can I do, not how I look. Okay, let's start. She's making me crazy. Look. Closer, baby, closer. That is the heater. It's really cold right here, right now. So what we need is just, let me see. We need one bill, any bill. I was looking actually for $1 bill to don't ruin this one, but okay, whatever. I didn't have change today. And let me see which one screw is it. Okay, so I guess I gotta look for something to take it off this. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, looks like with these two, we are gonna fix the heater, believe it or not. It sounds ridiculous, but yes, I don't have a screwdriver like the flat one, so you know what, let's go easy. We are not gonna pay a person to come to fix this. We just fix it our own. Okay, all right, let's start. Get out, Chloe, get out. Okay, I got it. Sit down here, Chloe, please. Right next to me is my assistant. She never call out. Okay, all right. So I'm taking the door, you see? The door is out. My assistant, she cannot help me with the paws because it's an animal. And let's see, where is the sensor? Okay, let's see, what is the sensor? Last year I did the same because I didn't have no money to pay nobody, so I learned in YouTube, and I wanna show you how I did. Let me see. I know the sensor is around here. Which one is? I'm pretty sure it's this one, the sensor. How to take it off? Oh, yeah. I need to unscrew that one too, okay? Let's see. Perfect. I just drop it. Hopefully I can find it again. Voila. This one is the sensor, okay? Right there. And okay. You gotta clean it up with the dollar bill, or yeah, with the sandpaper also. You can do it here, but whoever was in YouTube last year showing, it was with the $1. Okay, let me show you 1 second. What is the dollar? Assistant. All right. Okay, so you're supposed to clean it up like this. I don't know if you can see. It's really easy. It's just file a little bit this little stick, a little bit more. You don't have to actually do nothing hard. It's just clean it up. Just I want to make sure I don't have to open again. You don't even have to be worried about this part is dark. Don't worry, it's just a little bit dust that you gotta take it off with the wheel. It's nothing really hard, okay? It is something medium hard, you know. Okay, I believe I'm done. All right, so now we gotta put everything back and let's see if it's gonna work, okay? Also, you can, I don't know if you see the stick, if you see, because actually every system is different. Look, this one, when the heater is on, start with, it's a lot of fire here. So if you go down, where it's supposed to be the fire, look, you can see the stick. Let me see if you can see the stick. Right there. You see the stick? Right there. So it is just making sure with you guys, just make sure that you're unscrewing the right sensor. I'm not sure what is this, but you can see it's no stick. I'm not sure what is another stuff. You see up here that you have another screw. Wait, you have another stuff, but it's no stick. You see, so you gotta make sure you look under and you can see the stick right there. Okay, that's why I cannot screw it, because it was different screw. This one is the one is supposed to go over there, and this one is supposed to go on the door. So all right, let's keep going. Let's put the door back. Press it down. Let's put all this. Let's see how it's going. In my system, you gotta put it inside right there, okay? And then you gotta hold it and put this screw here somewhere. Let's see where. It is a hole over there, okay? these lovely nails. It's gonna be so easy. You see, looks like a no easy at all, but it's not impossible. Just if you don't try it, you're never gonna make it, right? All right. Okay. I'm gonna put only one because actually I don't know what is the other one, and like I say before, I don't know if next year it's gonna happen again, so I just put one of them, and the other one is gonna be empty. Okay. All right, let's check upstairs if it's gonna start to work. All right. And the heater is fixed. The heater is working.
Yeah, it's working. Yeah.